This is the first workflow in a series that shows how estate agents can create professional looking property videos with almost no extra work. I'll show you a quick video. This is created completely by AI from still images, and the property was actually empty, so we've used AI to stage the rooms as well. I'll show you an example of that as well. Now,
with room for a table, 2 bedrooms and a modern shower room. Outside you'll find off-street parking, a garage and front and rear garden.
So there is a narrator in this video, but we'll get to the narration and creating that a bit later on. Just to show you the images. That was from a different one, but we can see, so we've got empty property, AI has staged it with furniture. So the entire video was created by AI from still pictures of empty rooms. There's no filming, no staging company, no editor. Why would you want to create videos like this? Marketing is changing fast. You're no longer just creating content for people, you're also creating content for AI systems too. Every video, every post, every update becomes a part of your digital footprint that models use to decide who the local authority is. When an estate agent consistently posts walkthrough videos, local guides, market updates, AI sees that as a cluster of signals around one brand, one topic, and one location. An agent who shows up everywhere ranks everywhere, with humans and machines. But the problem is most agents don't have the time to produce content at scale, like filming, staging, editing. It all takes time, money, and coordination. This workflow produces the content that you need to keep up with the marketing shift with little extra effort. And for busy agents who don't want to touch the tech, paying for someone to run this for them is totally viable. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. We've got empty room images. You upload your images into the form. AI then stages those images, so the furniture gets put in, and it's instructed to maintain the room as it is. So it doesn't change any structural features of the room. It just adds in some furniture, some rugs, like little bits and pieces, but without changing the structure of the room. Each of those images then, once they've been staged, get handed over to a video model, and they're each turned into their own 5-second clip, naturally trying to pan across the room. And then once all of those clips have been made, they all get edited together to make one continuous video clip. Now in this workflow, the narrator that you heard in that clip doesn't actually come into play on that. All that happens here is you get a final clip, a final video, and then that's sent to a spreadsheet. There's some flexibility on what you can have happen here at the end. You can have that sent over WhatsApp message with the link to the video, an email. You can have it automatically post to social media. A lot of flexibility within this platform. But essentially what we're doing here is just uploading it to the spreadsheet. The next part of this series is the workflow that takes your property description and then using AI, it automatically turns it into a script, turns that script into a voiceover, and then edits that voiceover onto the clip that we've got from this workflow. And the reason I've done those separately is because to have some flexibility, you can actually just stay silent and walk around, record the video with your phone, and of course you're going to be able to get better angles. This workflow is generating from still images, but what you could do to save you having to speak on camera, you could walk around, use that video instead, just to add the narration onto the top of it. These could easily be combined together if you wanted this workflow to automatically put that voiceover on. That's something totally achievable. That's the next video. If you want to catch that when it comes out, don't forget, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel so you know when that's out. Who's this for? It's for estate agents, and this means that you can consistently publish high quality listing videos without really adding to your workload. And for automation, builders, or agencies, you can sell this as a service. Not every agent out there wants to be playing around with the tech, they're busy. You could provide this as a service. If you're an estate agent and you want this running for your listings, there's a link below. If you want the complete plug and play workflow, plus a full build tutorial that shows every node configuration, so you can use this to create content for your own agency or resell it as a service to estate agents, then what I'm going to do, I just need to finish up the tutorial videos, and then I will make both this and the narrator workflow available together for you to download. So you can just download the template, follow along with the build video, and you can have this up and running for yourself. Like I said, I just need to finish the tutorials on how to build it. If you leave a comment below, I will notify you when that's ready, or you can subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll see when that next video comes out. I'll talk to you soon.